Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Quest 3. Okay, so it's like about 5 million SUI is in the reward, so we can actually grab some of the SUI. Previously Quest 1 and Quest 2 came, but we missed those Quest 1 and Quest 2, but we don't want to miss this Quest 3. The reason why I'm telling you guys, in the Quest 2 people made actually thousands of SUI token just by participating in the Quest 2. Okay, so Quest 2, and that's the main reason I'm making this video for Quest 3. Okay, so Quest 3 also, if you just participate itself, you'll be able to get some SUI reward. Okay, so I'll tell you the minimum eligibility criteria and everything I'll be explaining in this video. So before we start our video guys, if this is the first time listening to my channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button guys and click the bell icon and like this video and continue watching it. By all your like means a lot to me, so make sure to hit the like button, and it hardly takes 1 second of your time. Okay, and this is my Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating and providing all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop links, everything. Make sure to follow me in my Telegram channel too. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, here I'll just tell you the rewards. Okay, so totally 5 million SUI token in the reward, but the thing is, so the tokens will triggered and unlocked only the criteria meets this. Okay, so 80k people need to come. If 80k people only comes here, only 20% of the token only will get unlocked. Okay, so if 1,60,000 people are participating, and then 40% of the token will get unlocked. Okay, in case if 4 lakh people comes, 100% will be triggered. Okay, so that means 4 million SUI tokens. So you may ask me what happened to that remaining 1 million SUI rewards. So the 1 million SUI will be distributed to the bonus to the highest ranked questers. Okay, and so this is the main thing. Okay, minimum requirements for rewards eligibility. Okay, so if you want minimum reward, you must complete all these things. Okay, so participant must hold at least one SUI friend. I'll show you how you can get one, and participant must interact with at least 5 of the 10 participant dApps. Okay, so these are the dApps, so we need to participate in at least minimum 5. Okay, so I'll show you that also. And the next thing is, participant must reach at least 2.5k points. Okay, so here you can see, this is point, we need to increase it up to 2500 point. Okay, so I'll show you how you can increase your point too. So first of all, here you can see the loyalty boost. Okay, 15%. so we didn't have this, I didn't have it. The reason is we didn't participate in the Quest 2. So people who participated in the Quest 2 will have this loyalty boost. Okay, and SUI friend multiplayer. So how to enable this is very simple. Come inside this suifriend.com, and we need to mint SUI. Okay, so just come here and click on mint and mint your SUI. Okay, so before that, in your SUI wallet, have minimum of 20 SUI. Okay, minimum 20 SUI you must have in order to complete all the tasks. So just click approve, and then if you click approve, you will purchase this SUI. Okay, so once you purchase it, here it will get updated. Okay, so for me it took about 1 to 2 hours to get updated my SUI here, so I don't know how long it will take for you. So once it gets updated here, this thing will get on. Okay, and now SUI NS multiplier 15%. If you want to get this on, we need to mint a SUI NS name now. Okay, so actually, in case once you have this SUI, so once it got updated in this leaderboard, then you need to go and get your SUI NS. Okay, so for example, now after you come inside, connect your wallet, and you can type the name you want. So just type the name, and once you type the name, you need to search. Okay, and once you click search, then you can see here Quest 3 discount eligible. Okay, so you need to this thing should available. Okay, if this thing is not available, then you gotta pay for SUI. If this thing is available, then you don't have to pay. So this thing only will show up once your SUI friend got updated here. Okay, so these are things you need to know. So just click on start, and then come here, and here you can see guys, discount valid from October 12th to October 19th. Okay, so today October 15th, so we got it for free. So just click register name, and then click approve. Our name got registered. Okay, we successfully purchased it, and you can go into your dashboard, and you can see I've already purchased as a Chennai Marketeer, my English channel, and this is my Tamil channel name. Okay, so I purchased it. Now head back here. Now we have successfully done these 2 tasks, and then these 2 things will get enabled. Okay, so now the next thing is, now we're going to interact with all the dApps. Okay, so for example, first thing, arcade champion. So just click on the launch app, and then it will launch the app. So once it got open, here you can scroll down. Okay, so you need to scroll down and you need to download the app. Okay, so you can download the app from Apple Store or else Play Store. So just download this app. Game interface will be looking like this only. So once you install it, just click next, and then here you can see the game. So first of all, we just need to choose some game and then go and play it. Okay, so first thing we gotta play this game. So after playing this game so far, here you can see I've reached level 5. Okay, and here you can see the quest, blue shark quest is there. So just click on that, and now we have to link our account. Okay, so just click on link account, and then now you have to copy and paste your SUI wallet address. Okay, so go there and copy your SUI wallet and come here and paste it. So this is my SUI wallet address. I just copied and pasted here. I'm just gonna click link. So right now it got linked. Okay, so now we have successfully participated in this quest also. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next one. So once you complete the first app, the next one is Panzer Dogs. Okay, so just click on the launch app. So once you come inside, on top you can see play button is there. Okay, so just click on the play button. Once it got open, we need to complete the demo. Okay, so once you complete the demo, then just come to the main page. So finally it will open up like this. So just click on the login. Once you click on the login, you have to sign up with your Twitter or Discord, anything. Okay, so just do the sign up. So once you do the sign up, on below you can see Bull Shark Quest. Okay, so just click on the Bull Shark Quest and then click on this link wallet. Okay, so once you click on this link wallet, then it will ask. Okay, so then just click on the SUI wallet and then we need to connect our wallet. Okay, so by doing this only we will get the eligibility there. Okay, so that we actually used their app. So click on connect. So once your wallet got linked, here you can see the tick mark. Okay, so after you successfully linked your wallet, guys, so what you have to do is, in order to increase your point in the, like for example, if you play here, your even though if you kill thousands of tank, you won't get the point. Okay, so try to download the same game in your mobile phone, then you need to kill many panzer. Okay, so once you kill lot of panzer, for example, you will be earning 1 quest point for each kill made in the Panzer Dog match. Okay, so and don't play in the computer, just play with your phone. If you play with your phone only, your points will get updated. Okay, so for example, here you can see I got some point. Okay, so I got it through by playing this panzer also. Okay, so I was actually killing the panzer, so that's why their point got increased. Okay, when I was actually playing with the computer, your point will not get credited, guys. Always use your mobile phone, because that's what they're saying. Okay, so after you complete this panzer, and the next thing is Ren Legend. Actually this Ren Legend, I went inside and I was checking it out. This Ren Legend is nothing but you gotta, like, it's like real time game. You need to walk, then you will earn some point and all. Okay, so I can't demonstrate it right now because I have to go out and walk and all. So if you want, you can try this also. Okay, so it's nothing but just download the app, and then once you go inside the app, you need to come. So you must have known the Steppen, right? Like that only this app. Okay, so just download and try to walk with the app, then you will earn some point. By after that you can link your wallet there. Okay? And the next one is the collection. Okay, so once you launch the app, on top you can see connect wallet. Okay, so first thing, just connect your wallet. So after you connect wallet, we need to support any of this art. Okay, so on top you can see discover is there. So just scroll down and find the art with only one SUI. Okay, so you can just support them with the one SUI. Okay, so if you scroll down, then you will be able to see one SUI support or else two SUI support. Okay, so I've already committed one SUI for the support, but for the demonstration purpose I'll show you. So after you come inside, just click on this support SUI and then just click on this support this entry. So once you click on this support entry, then we need to do the transaction in the wallet. Okay, so for example, it will show up like this. Okay, after you supported them, here you can see I've supported with one SUI. So you can actually delete this too. Okay, so for example, after your dab got, say here it should update. Okay, so app we used, so after it got updated there, you can actually delete the support. So the next task is poetry in motion. Okay, so just click on that one and connect your wallet. So once you connect your wallet, just click on buy word packs. Okay, so and click on buy pack. So once you click on buy pack, we'll be able to purchase this through our SUI wallet. Just click approve. Click approve, then here you can see we have purchased it. So now our words is available. So how to use this word is very simple. Just click on this. So just click on this create poem and scroll down, and here you need to drag and drop all these things. Okay, so after you drag and drop, just click on combine and save, then just give title for this thing and click on save poem. Okay, so once you click on save poem, then approve it from your SUI wallet. Okay, and now our poem got successfully created. Okay, so this is how you interact with this platform. So we interacted with 1 2 3 4 thing, and the next one is SUI. Okay, so just click on the launch app, and here once you come inside, we need to connect our wallet. Actually it's like a gamble game only, so just click on SUI wallet and connect your SUI wallet first thing. So after your wallet got connected, we need to place a guess. Okay, so choose one coin, and then we need to choose one thing, and then we need to, once you place it, here you can see place guess is there, so just click on that one. Then we need to do the transaction in our SUI wallet. Then now just click on approve, and we're going to lose 2 SUI. Okay, because I choose 2 coin, that's why I'm going to lose. Just choose only one bet. Okay, then only you're gonna lose only 1 SUI. So now you can see our guest got loose. Only choose 1 coin, guys, then you do this thing, because you're gonna lose SUI for that. Okay, actually I've lost it, guys. So this is how you need to place guess, and it's kind of gambling. So once you interact with the platform, just come back here. So we successfully interacted with this one too, and the next one is SUI flip. Okay, so we need to flip SUI. So come inside and connect your wallet. So click on connect wallet and click on SUI, and just connect your SUI wallet and click on connect. And once your wallet got connected, we just need to flip a coin. Okay, so head or tails. So I'm gonna go with head, and I'm gonna with 1 SUI. Okay, so 1 SUI means if it's like my prediction is correct, then I will gain 1 SUI extra. If my prediction is wrong, and I'm gonna lose this 1 SUI. Okay, so just click deposit. Now we need to, so just approve it. The heads for 1 SUI. Okay, so right now we won. Okay, so accidentally we won, so we can try again also, or else we can just leave. I'm gonna leave. Okay, so it's purely gambling only. So like this only, just interact here and then come back here. So just click on this launch app. So actually it's kind of a game. Okay, so we need to download and play. So you can download it for Windows or else Mac OS. It's a big thing. So minimum we need to complete 5 of the 10 participant apps. We have done that now. So far we have done it. So we left only this one, and this one we left. Okay, so you can try this also. Launch this app, and you gotta walk and earn the points. That's why I left that one. And this one is you need to download this game. Okay, so go inside, register here, and download the game and play. So by playing only you'll be able to earn some points. Okay, and the next game is Bushy. So just click on Bushy. So even with this one, you gotta play only earn. So you just need to log in, then you need to download this game. So first thing, just log in and then download this hyperplay and play this game also. Okay, so these are the 3 tasks you can actually consider. If you have good PC, if you want to play and earn more points, you can do this. If you want to know the criteria for this one, so criteria for these games, for example Worlds Beyond, if you go inside and see, it's a social creator platform on PC. Play a single or multiplayer games for infinity credit. So earn 0.05 points for each infinite credits earned in the game. Okay, so if you play the game and earning this credit, no, so only 0.05 points for each credits you are getting. So depends on how many credits you are getting, you will get the quest point, but the limit is only 500. These are the things you need to do, guys, in order to get eligibility for the reward. And main thing you must remember is the minimum eligibility requirement is there. Okay, so we already won this thing and we have participated more apps, and the main thing right now you gotta do is participant must reach at least 2.5k points. Okay, so this is the main thing, don't forget this one. So just do all the tasks and try to gain more points. I've gained 145 points only by just playing this Panzer Dog game. I'm gonna spend my time on these apps. Okay, and I try to bring my points up to 2.5k. and if you want to get to know the rules of the game, you can just come inside and read. Okay, here you can read and get to know the basics rules. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Try this one, don't waste this, guys. Try to bring your point up to 2.5k. okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end, and bye bye.